In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Spotify account username. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. To find your username on Spotify, it is pretty much simple. Just head over to the top left corner here and then tap on your profile image. And then under this, go to settings and privacy. If you go ahead and tap on it, you can see the first option is account and under it we have username. If you tap on it, now you can see here your username. You can proceed and now copy it and share it wherever you want. So that's how you can find your Spotify username. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.